finish up uyazi khambani like away.
Abanda ngabethu.
Hola.
Abanda la kusbu. Red Melos.
Hola.
Yaphile baba.
Baba.
Hayi mbona thanks. Abanda lo Eden. Sure. Nikrela ndo mfethu. No, but siyajabula ukunibona mfethu. Siyajabula ukunibona mfethu. It's a great day. Sekuzoqala ne-World Cup ngiyezwa kuthiwa uMelusi uyacomplain mfethu akayitholanga i-call up kwi-squad.
Hey, hayi. Vele indaba yebhola nje bethu. Right mangibuka ngayenza ibhola namanje.
Ngisho nje
Hayi ngisagcina ngishaya kakhulu ibhola bethu.
kudlala sibuyi ibhola.
Ngingaba ugoalkeeper. Hey, ngaloza bangishaya kakhulu ngathi angeke.
That's khona.
At some point.
Wayland.
Oh man, it's a great day today. You're hosting you on the Barber Show. If people don't know you, Mafethu, and to introduce him, now it's moving to introduce. Mazitiwa is someone that like wants to find out about you. So on you, Mafethu.
Face, hey, Melusi, Shepherd, bangazanda isibongo kadosha. Abantu abaningi banokubona mhlawumbe i-style some-Maxwell Lindlow. Yeah. So even Instagram, Facebook, you can do Shepherd. Yes.
On to you, Mabur.
Sibusiso wakaDanisa.
Sure.
Insizwa enamahloni phansi. Abantu bayabesuke sebeyihlukanisa ne-character le particular. I-character engidume ngayo nje Mahele.
Sure.
Besibona umehluko ukuthi bese ngibona ngempela ngiphansi ngebhasini ebhodweni.
Awudani, ngiphansi in a good way.
Ngena kuma-Facebook ethi Sibusiso Danisa. Even though sekugcwele ama-fake account bese like bebafuna iy'mali kuthiwa kanjani njani. Ngizoba nenkinga.
Sure, Zabaneki.
Ama-fraud,
No, Beto. No, I love your story, Mafethu, because your story, Beto, relates to a lot of South Africans, and not only South Africans, Beto, but to the whole country, beyond the country, Beto. So, in the ngithanda Beto is that ngidlala izitori ezi-authentic, izitori umuntu akwazi ukuthi mesibuka acabanga umuntu ahlala naye kamakhelwane yabo. So what inspired you just start with you Beto Melusi to become an actor? So when did you decide ukuthi this is what like I want to go to no Beto, this is what I want to do yabo, feeling ukuthi acting is something that is your calling?
Mina mfethu angeke ngizokudala ngidala nangabantu. Like I think if I'm not mistaken, somewhere in 2006 no, we need to pass a culture we started in wayisutha kahle yabo. So I think abizwa abantu entuzo ma F yoshayeli okufilm iyana ngisazi ukuthi wangiyini igama la yabo. Lapho ngaba iboss egqoka ngaba iboss. And then from there, kwaqala yena ke waba ne-cast eceleni, and then I was one of the people cast. I think lapho kwafika Emthandeni, if I'm not mistaken, noma angisazi.
Sure.
Then kwaqala lapho isibanje saqala lapho sishayela iy'mpahla of-boys.
Sure.
La kwakusashaya ama-CD nayo yabo.
Sure.
Hhayi manje sekunamalokhula nge-50.
Sure.
Then from there, yeah, from 2006, I think sabe sami endleleni angisazi ukuthi umuphi unyaka esama ngayo endleleni. Isikhathi eside futhi nakhona. Lapho phela like 5-10 years, I'm not sure. And then around 2007, kwakhama Umthandeni, sacarry on this time. But kwakuvele kuyinto eyayenziwa kudala. So angeke ngibeke futhi mhlawumbe ngayinspayiswa yini nokuphindana kanjani, but I guess umuntu wangirecognize ngathi ukuthi and then kwaba umthandeni oseyiphilisa naye yabo nje bephila namhlanje abantu bengazi namhlanje i-20 yeah.
I love the fact that ukuthi ijeni yakho isineminyaka ayiyona into eqale nje manje yayahluma manje okusho kusho khona ukuthi nesipiliyoni sikhulu kakhulu mase ngithiwa nginika ithuba nawe Sibu yini ekubeke lesikhathi okusona to pursue i-career kwi-acting
abantu ukuthi something inspired me insandeni angithi so makhelwane so what happened was I saw them beshutha ngasekhaya
sure
so that's how I know ngiyayithanda lento enyenzayo ngicela ukujoyina wathi hayi akunankinga alikhona ukuqhamuka i-character phakathi yona
sure
and then ngathola i-call from him I think ngaqala ngawo Abdul
sure doing that sure
and nakhona i-actor nje ngiyivasi ngisaba yonke leyo nto ngaze ngatshena uyena ukuthi no man you're doing good ngaqala lapho nami ngane energy ukuthi no man this is it ngaqala ngaba inspired
sure
okay leyo
sure perfect
from 2012 from 2012 if I'm not mistaken
that's when you actually established yourself what I know. You're fully on your mind and that okay. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi you grow up on emalokishini yabo. And emalokishini behlezi kuhlezi ke kunama stereotype. Nanokuthi uactor yinto abanye abantu abaningi abayibukela kuhle. So kubancane ukuthi mawukhula kube into oyilandelayo so ngifisa ukuthola ukuthi kunithathe isikhathi esinganani mina ukuthi uactor kube i-career ekwazi ukuniphilisa ekwazi ukuthi mawubuya ubuye bethe ekhaya ukwazi ukuphethe betoplastic nasekhaya bejabule because I believe ukuthi most of the time mawuqala ama-passion projects angayifaki imali kuba naloko mnzima endleleni ukuthi aphethu siyenza okwamanje sikahola ngisho nako uDlamini i-star kuthatha isikhathi eside ukuthi ngize ngifike kulesikhathi kulezi ngikulona manje so ngaleso sikhathi ke bekunjani and benisebenza yini before nize nibe full time acting
mina bengidayisela amakhekhe regular kamashi station
so
abantu abaningi bangazi bekhona abangazi bangazela khona bengidayisela amakhekhe la regular kamashi station I think noma ngasazi ukuthi ngaqala nini khona but I think around 2018 ukuyeka kwamangeka ngoba selithini kanti bese ngibona sezenzeka izinto ngalapha senzeka baya angisho ngokwemali ngingazenzekile ngokwesipani sengibona isize ngalesipani seliqala ukukhuphuka isikhathi esiningi angisasitholi kahle ukuthi ngiyodayisa station yabo yonke lonke then ilapho ngase ngibona ukuthi hayi kuyisipani okwangempela and for the fact ukuthi sayiqala vele kungekho mhlawumbe umuntu okuncane akutholayo but ngokuyindisela nangokuyithanda into fethiwako ukudlala ngeke kwaphela ke umuntu ahamba odayisa afone ukuthi anginekusela futhi ngakwazi lokhu ndayisela up until kufike kule level yesipani ukuthi manje we are working siyasipana yabo ukuthi noma hobby already iminyaka yabona vele mina ngikaze kwaba i-hobby always been into engangincane ukuthi yabo ingangiphilisa yeah.
And what about you Sibusisi?
We start from a school, then went to college. I went to college in Abuja.
What were you studying in college?
I was studying in Safety Society.
Sure.
3 years. But only to find out the certificate I had at the end of 3 years was equivalent to my matric certificate. Which means I wasted the whole 3 years. Umesiqedayo lapho ngafuna umsebenzi ungayitholi ngagcina ngiba u-salesman.
Sure.
Salesman lapho salesman but nakhona
what were you selling?
for instance nje bengisebenza ka-gaming makho.
Sure.
Ngisebenza ka-gaming.
Sure. So mfethu ayithi noma target awuthola ngenyanga. And you're able to reach them.
Yes, I was.
Sure. Manje wawuthini kubona? Uthi uyayibona-ke lo mshini wokuwasha lo.
Yes, because besidayisa AP kuthiwa silapha ka-macro nje kunama-different brands of speakers.
Sure.
And wonke lama brands anabantu bakhona.
Sure.
Uslow and nalesi sakho for instance when usemsamo mina ngithengisele uFunken
Sure.
is doing so.
Sure.
So bawu-3 mekuqhamuka i-customer kumele sitshentshi no man. Mine is better, nanokuthi his is better.
Sure.
Because even that thing says mine very was better.
Sure. Oh, God.
Yeah.
You had a product that was good before.
Okay, this is order from the customer.
Which one?
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, what we say igama lakhona.
Yo, man, I love that. I love that for you, my man.
So, but see, lakhona kuthola ukuthi from mhlambe 3 months isiphele umsebenzi. 2 months uphele umsebenzi usolele
Yeah.
up until we discovered showing ngapha ka-MGM. And then there saqala. And like umele usisayde ukuthi ilento oyithanda yini.
Sure.
Isilento oyithanda uyimisele and then sibe la esikhona to
Great. So passion is the secret.
Yes. Yona nje into ebalulekile.
No, but I love that because I myself attest to that ukuthi empilweni mfethu into uma ungayithandi angeke ikubeke la ufuna ukuthi uye khona. Yabo. So what Steve Jobs once said ukuthi the best way to do great work it is to love what you do.
Yeah.
So mfethu in that way mfethu uyazi ukuthi hayi noma kuthiwa kwenza kanjani but ngoba ngiyayithanda lento engiyenzayo. Yabo. Mfethu that's great. So mfethu I love the fact that ukuthi you have been paid before acting because I don't lie. When I just see you guys, and it's not only me. Yeah, boy, London. So I just want you to people to understand the they can also relate to wherever they are right now. Doesn't mean it's the end. Yeah, boy, London. As long as you fixate your mind, you can outside. No, you to and speaking of how you've grown to become like a YouTube sensation, because into with MDM, shout out to Mthandeni. Always been a very humble guy. It's always been someone who's looking at helping and bringing new talents. One of the greatest ways of leadership, it is not to become the best, but it is to bring the best out of other people.
Yeah.
So ngiyamncoma Mthandeni because he has been able ukuthi mfethu nishine, yabo nikwazi ukubonakala ukuthi no, these people are great. Not to success kuye no ngaphambili.
Yes.
So with that being said, how has your relationship with Mthandeni like changed your life?
For me, my dog, it changed my life a lot. How many times I tell people that I think yo, the emotion especially since it's truly like emalokishini kanjena thina wenza izinto just to survive hayi ngokusuku sokuthanda. Yabo khona abantu abagcina benza like ukudibena ngayo uthola ukuthi umunye hayi ngokusuku ethanda but ufuna ukusurvive.
Sure.
But eventually mase sithola njengoba ngithi ukuthi Mthandeni change my life ukuthi kakhulu ngakwenza umuntu. So I'm forever be grateful. So if people will see I'm sure by now I've been talking to something.
No, but you get tall like it's so deep when you are kanjalo ngoba mfethu omunye umuntu into angayibukela kude yabo kanti when it gets close uyazi ukuthi the background has never been easy. What about you, Melos?
When I take quick shout out to Mthandeni. Big shout out to Mthandeni. Even now, I'm going to start in NPM. Like, dog, I want to know where this boy is. I usize kakhulu, I mean, umqoqile kakhulu. because even mina before ngibhesa na amakhekhe the reason ukuthi ngizobhesa amakhekhe because umuntu kwelokhu ngiyeshela ezinye izinto ezirong kakhulu yabo and therefore umamkhulu wami thanks to umamkhulu futhi umamkhulu wami lokuthi yazi into engicabangayo ukuyenza ngithanda and then into semakhekeni yazo kakhulu kwabhaya badayisa amakhekhe but kwangayona into engathi ngifuna ukuphila ngayo she's being acting as always yabo kumina ngiyafuna ukuthi kanje and for the first time umsangeni bayisebenze isipanisana even lo ekhona la ku-YouTube Facebook ma-social media ukuthi I think wasedobhes noma ngiba idubane but zama ukuthi angithole and waze wangithola and ukungithola kwakhe
change everything, no?
yeah yabona ukuthi nokubala khona yabona uma kuthiwa ngiyakubalela kuningi mabro yabo kuningi besides nje isipani lesi esishaya yabo kuningi so nami I'll forever be grateful because I was
For sure.
yeah
Well, understand about that. Sure. No, mfethu no, kuhle mfethu ukuthi as like people that you look up to, you are able to be like honest or isitshele ukuthi no mfethu endleleni ikenzeka ukuthi wenza amaphutha and ikenzeka ukuthi impilo ubuye uyithathe ngendlela engamele uyithathe ngayo but malifika ushintsho noma malifika ithuba kumele uhlezi be able to respond on time and uwazi ukuthi hayi ngoba impilo manje ngithatha ngibeke la I'm forever gonna manje shift my focus. So quick forward, I understand what we're speaking on how MPN has changed your life.
Yeah.
But to receive or to actually live impilo yokuyoye manje umahe useyaziwa umpulo uchaziwa umahe sekubhekwa ngapha kuthiwa hey housing yabo and now bethusuka manje kube njani ke manje emphakathini abantu sebenibona ko social media bethu sebenibona ko YouTube ama numbers are going crazy yabo lonto bethu one of the biggest platforms so lelo shinto limphathe kanjani because abanye abantu bethu kuyenzeka they lose themselves ngenxa ukuthi manje ayisebenzisa ifame yaba overwhelm so nina for nina chance kube njani to just transition from being umelusi engihlezi ngimbona to uMaxwell yabo Maxwell othandwa yingane othandwa umphakathi othandwa nje bethu wonke umuntu yabo because fortunately enough we've been given the opportunity by you guys ukuthi you are part of like the brand yabo your brand ambassadors so whenever we're doing ama shoots at BP or lawa masho uhlezi dlula ingane kakhulu yabo dlula ingane bezithi my hair we Maxwell yabo so leyo imphathe kanjani into adapting and also are there any disadvantages for being famous ngoba futhi manje phela sekumele ugade ezinye indlela how was it for you Melis?
Bro, I won't lie to you. I wanna like they enjoy like I do enjoy it, but at some point before the line out to born if we are challenged like you said if we let's leave the medical against the like that because yabo manje isemethela abantu yabo le abantu bamukela wena because into osuwenza like let's say mhlawumbe ngoba ngithengisa umuntu akazala ukuthi mhlawumbe ibenza ukuthi nokuthi kanti bangabala ngamagama acabanga ukuthi yenza ukuthi uyabhena and stuff so all those type of things uyabhena ukuthi okay if you don't bhenele phambi kwey'ngane ubhekane ney'ngane yonke lonto so kuningi ne-anxiety hayi kuyinyusa kakhulu because abantu bahlukile yabo abantu bahlukile nathi sabantu omunye uzokuqhamukela ineway ukuthi ubona uMaxwell ukhuluma noMaxwell and akakhulumi noMelusi yabo akamazi nhlobo uMelusi so imiqhamuka nale hey bakushayile lapha hey kunjani hey indaba kodwa wena indaba yentombi all those type of things yabo. But then kumele understand because yena vele usuke lapha yani kumele and then kube khona omunye obonayo ukuthi la yena ngathi kuzomela udiscipline futhi hayi kabi umdlalo umuntu ukuthi so yonke lento kuyi-challenge because uyacabanga kuqhamuka ingane encane ubone ukuthi khona ingane ebona ukuthi iyarivile ifundisele iqhamuka mhlawumbe ngihamba nayo it's a hey mahew okay isane of respect lapho ayikho but at the same time uyabuka ukuthi ingane yabo. And then kube khona lezobona ukuthi hayi lo usekhulile bese uya-understand kufanele ngabe lokho mhlawumbe uzombuyisa but kokunye feel like hayi ama-fans ngizokwenza njani yabo. So I feel like uku-understanda leyo part iyona challenge leyo yabo. Kumele uku-understand abantu, kumele wazi ukuthi uyephi stuff usuqala nokunciphisa iy'ndawo ukuthi yangisayo endaweni yokuthi yabo yabuka ma usezukwazi manje ukuhamba ngishayela isipindi sakho ukhuluma umemeze yonke leyo nto yabo.
Usuyi-public figure.
Usuyi-public figures yonke into usuyabuka ukuthi ngigqoke kanjani yabo leyo nto all those type of things khulele nasemalokishini-ke thina mjondolo wesikhathi yabo. So kufana nale nto ukuthi angasemntona but hey izinga le-fame uyazibona ukuthi liphezulu kakhulu so izinto obanayo ukuthi yabo uyinethele ngendlela kulapho for me.
And to you Sibongo.
La kumele usebenze kubalile basike ufeni umnandi ngene inawo lama disadvantages amanyana. Ngene le advantages I think ukuthi ukwazi ukunderstand abantu ngokuqala ney'ndawo naminani. Abantu abafani lezinto nje like lapho izinto kuqala ukuthi ngibona ngasingavele ihleka. Yabo nje usuqhamuka kwenye indawo ngathi sekuyahlekwa already vele siyaba-understand abantu vele it's part of life. Bese kuthi-ke kuningi yazi ngalekhona section okuningi. Now as abantu ba-understand ukuthi okay laba bakanje khona abantu abaluhlaza khona abantu abarayizi khona abantu abanje. And then as suke sensisa abantu sinama-feelings nathi suke sintozi yabo. Yabo nje for instance engihlala khona ebusuku nje I think ngisukeni ngilelele ebusuku I think it was about 1 ebusuku. Udlula imali yabantu baphuze
uyilalele lapho bayakuvusa.
But sike okuyingane ngiya-understand.
Yes.
Kwesinye isikhathi nginga-understand but kona ngiya-understand and then ngicabangele ukuthi ziphuma emakhaya angahlukahlukene. Khona ikhaya vele balihlaza khona lapha. Because ikhona ingane ehlangana nazo ubona ukuthi yezingane but
iyakwazi ukuphila.
Iyamazi umuntu omdala.
But yabo even when you talk about artists there's iphupho bethu ukuthi ukwazi ukugrabha i-attention yey'ngane because nabantu baba very special yabo.
Yeah.
Mina bakubengele depression at some point but sengiyakwenye base. Iy'ngane ziyajabula ngiyajabula nami
Sure. No, Mpeto, I admire that, Mpeto. That's super great. I want to pose a question about the industry at large because I won't take it away, Mpeto Gutin. You've managed, Mpeto, to capture a big audience. Yeah, but there were times whereby people were like questioning. There was a time whereby a lot of people were questioning stories as like TV about in such a way that a good team uvuleleke igap yokuthi kugcine sekungena YouTube channels. We saw a podcast and show by Meg G, and we also saw who's this guy, Lord Tupac, Tubani. No, there's this guy, no, buza abantu mfethu. Khona umjinda kanti lo buza abantu imibuzo ehamba nama-cherry, hayi ujinda, King Jimmy. Khona lo omunye Joseph, yes. Yabo bangena kwi-TV because people say manje even TikTok, they say TikTok has better content than eTV. But thina sikhule udlala bethu osibusiso Dlomo bethu yabo sikhule udlala osidumo ku-TV. So do you also attest ukuthi i-TV sisiluzile spark? Or maybe in any perspective when it comes to TV compared to the content edlala ku YouTube and TikTok.
So let's not say na ngizokhuluma personally.
Sure.
Ukubuka i-TV bafana ngiyifuna
Sure.
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 Mina YouTube and then online streams of the
Sure.
Facebook, TikTok.
Sure. Over to you, Max.
Mina umlomo ungathethi-ke manga phela.
Sure.
Yabona mfethu. Yabona bungafethi kuzoba personal, mhlawumbe nami kuzoba personal, too personal. Lawa mina i-TV angiyibuki, okay, number 1. Angiyibuki i-TV mfethu. Iyabheda i-TV. Yabo, I won't lie to you, ngingakho ngeke ngize ngithi yiphi-ke. Iyabheda i-TV. Yabo leyo. Yonke. Yabo ekhaya abakhokhela le mpahla ekhokhelwayo izokhulu indisho. Hey, kwakukhona wonke ama-channel, dog. You know ukuthi uma ngiphumela ngisixoxana namatsithi kade ngibuke enye impahla kanje. Wow. Yale mpahla ngangiyibuka nini. Akutshela ukuthi awu last year yayidlala. Nginganaki yazi next year ukuthi ngibuka i-TV ingayisadlala.
Sure.
So uyacabanga ukhokhela into kade uyibuka 2 years back.
Sure.
Usakhokha, you keep on paying for what?
Sure.
So i-TV iyabheda. Ajwayelana. So mina ngavele ngayiyeka. But angisho ukuthi abantu baqeda ukubuka i-TV. Anginankinga nabantu abayibuka i-TV. I-TV iyabheda, hayi abantu abasebenzani.
Sure.
Ngiyabo. So angikho against it, but i-TV. Yabona the reason ukuthi abantu babuke like izinto ezidlala on YouTube channel. For example, MDM sketch comedy or ababuka nje izinto ezenzayo YouTube. Because into efunwa abantu.
Sure.
Yabo leyo into efunwa abantu into ethandwa abantu.
Sure.
Yabo. So iyona into ebalulekile ukuthi kwenzeke into ethandwa.
Kwenzeke into ethandwa.
Andikho against izinto ezidlala i-TV siyabheka.
Sure.
Angazi ukuthi ubani obheka u-TV.
Because with me now, I remember a time whereby TV used to be into ekuyiyona epivotal ekwazi ukuthi nawe mawubuka i-TV uphuphe yabo into I want to play on TV but ngiyayithanda ke approach that you guys have taken ukuthi to use what you have because asikudingo manje sokuthi ube nephupho lokuthi ufuna ukufika ku-TV because you can use what you currently have yabo nto. YouTube has become a platform where creatively can earn yabo angaze ngizwe kukhona umuntu ocomplainayo ethi YouTube ungolela imali eshodayo.
Yes.
But I think we know ama actors that sometimes athi like kwakufana generation legacy dala yabo yazi yavala kuthiwa ama-actors ayakhanti awaholi kahle.
Kahle mina yabona enye izinto futhi yami kakhulu yangibahle kakhulu. Yabona bakadusha ukuthi sasibuka i-TV willing ukuthi enje ngiyafuna ukuthi ngibuke laphana yabo.
Sure.
And then when time goes on, okay, sesiqala sesizazi izinto like back to lento ye-fame futhi angithi uyabona iy'nkinga kanjani.
Sure.
Bakubuka ku-TV abantu bakubona like every day but then usuzovela ku-TikTok ukuthi awunayo inyuka and-stuff. I'm not saying ukuthi kanjani vele kuyaphatanisa kuyasifana but hey i-unfair lento labantu bethu badume ngale ndlela.
Sure.
Laba esasibabuka ko-generation engabe i-generation engabe umuzi wey'nsizwa engabeni. They are legends mfethu ukuthi bengangayithola that respect. Yes, angikwazi amadila abo ukuthi ahamba kanjani yabo but nje akunezinto obonayo ukuthi azikho right. Okuthi la ko-YouTube and stuff ayilimithi umuntu and ayihlezi ngisho omunye umuntu athi nami ngiyafisa ngifake lapha ka-MDM yazi nami ngiyabhala ngilike uyabhala why then ungalophuli mfethu uvula i-channel because it's mahala idatha lakho nje kuphela uba online and then ubule thing nabantu bangakini yabo because ngiyacabanga ngumisa uzothetha umuntu wasempangeni akutshele lo nto ukuthi nami ngiyafisa ukuzokhala la manje ngiyabhala kanje ukhile nje phela bhala uvula i-channel kancane kancane thola abantu abawu-2 yeah
using your phone
using ifoni yakho and then when times goes on while ukhokhela ne-YouTube because ngeke ungakhokheli thola i-camera grand yabo leyo and then izoshintsha izinto phela not ukuthi akufuneki ukuthi mhlawumbe uzosipane nathi cha
kanti ungaqala ukujihela
yes and futhi I feel like iyona ndlela esingathi ama-audition ukubona ngithi ukuthi umuntu uzokucela ukuthi ucela ukusipana nathi so ukuthi ngale ndlela ade ngisho ngako ukuthi uyabhala naye wenza same so ukuthi abonakala athi ngiyafisa ngizokuthi ama-audition awenzakala ama-audition isikhathi ngane ukuthi awenzakala isikhathi ngasebenza ama-audition ankumboni ayenzeka sibuki na awenzeka ama-audition so the best way kuba ngcono mangabe uzobambeka la so usibani umthweni and then yeah and then so mhlawumbe uzolokhu engidema mengabe usubuye ekhuluma nami yazi usibani wakho ngithi azi nami akakhuluma nami futhi ngiyalandela yabo leyo because vele nami bakhona abantu engibalandelayo engibabukayo yeah so ila
no, but I'm gonna give you guys a pat on the back for playing these super amazing characters on Udlamini Star. I know that's not only the show you've played on the channel MZMs, but Iona and Bo team. I think it's the longest running. It's the longest running and it's the most impactful. Because Mapumu Dlamini we start you know for sure you don't miss that episode. So how much kunjani uMaxwell emahlombe yabo elijazi uMaxwell bethu makhosi Dubai yabo so injani bethu leyo outfit bethu
hey bro, yazi angifuni kama manga I do enjoy it namanje but yabona mangikhumbula especially saqala yabo because nginga-understand ukuthi okay mhlawumbe manje makusekhulile yabo that time kwakusakhona that nigga thing sorry using the word nigga so and I enjoy yabona especially nale yagogo base awona masivuko even though challenge but leyo challenge ayazi challenge emnandi yeah challenge emnandi bese we challenge emnandi bro ayenqanga manje and ngale ndlela mfethu it was like hey angazi don't think I
enjoy I see I'm done usacabanga kunjani ukushaya impahla Heusin, how is it for you to play a character Yamaheu?
Umnandi kakhulu in such a way that even when I say call itself ngifuna nami sengiyibona ukuthi noma nguMaheu sengihambela yini
sure ngathi soMaheu ngaphela ke manje
uMaheu ngempela
yenzeka ngikhuluma asomunye sekukhuluma uMaheu
sekukhuluma sure oh that's beautiful because I'm asking this question because I remember there was a time when I think ukhethiwe bethu ukhethiwe generation phase ngiyaxolisa ngilazi igama lakhe ngempela but that's the power of i-character bethu khona la bethu kuthiwa washawa khona ngazi abantu ngenxa ukuthi kuthiwa bethu khona into eyenzakalayo lapha ku-generation bathiwa abantu bethu bamvimba ngampela kuthiwa uyeke le nto yezo-generation so a character can like become big in that way. Fana njengo-Israel yabo Israel yizo yabo ngisho makuthiwa angadala umadala yiphi lo i-character that's like his biggest character page yabo so you don't want to talk more about uMaxwell
no yazi bengisathi ngiyalapha like mina-ke the challenge ngoMaxwell abanye abantu ukubone mina umuntu ohlezile yabo yabo noma ngiyixoxela nolo baseyikhulukhela nje isikhathi esiningi yabo so abantu be like ngathi sekukhuluma Maxwell man I'm like enye into yangi-challenge uMuday le nto angayixoxa bangihleka nama-house I'm like bona kabe ngekuthana nabo bangishiya la station ne mangihamba kuqhamuka ezinye iy'ntwana I think kwakuyi-2 or 3 nje nami yabo ngirelaxele sharp ngishayele nezaza lami yabo I think angigqemile yabo ngiyikhiphela nemali yokuxabana nenjini laphana yabo ngiyahluda ngisawuxabana yazi lezi iy'ntwana ngathi ngiphumana nabo Maxwell kancane nami lo yazi aseyithini zathi kodwa mfethu yebo ugrand mfethu akanankinga le rasi grand so on my mind I'm like anginankinga igrand ngithi ngani yabo ngithi sayilonto ukuthi ngathi anginankinga it's like yenze mhlawumbe phela ukuthi angazi ndoda angazi ilonto nje angithale I'm like okay igrand and uyabona ukuthi debate zokuthi but yazi ayinankinga igrand nje like why
something like this ngazi uma ngiyaphila
abona sawama ukuthi grand
oh cause umuntu angane moyitshela ukuthi like njobe uMaxwell is very good
so
yabo angiyeke Maxwell ngiyaphetha la
bala brother yaphela
la razi uMaxwell ayibona awu ungaqoki ngiyabona ukuthi udala ngawugqoka i-baseball yangi manje yabo like ngeke ngeke futhi ufuna ukushaya njalo
phezulu ukuthi uthola amabheki
ayaraza phezulu bathi phezulu
so bethu le character le yakho Mabura bethu ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuney'nsuku la ubufisa khona siyangifisi ukugoduka mase umbuka bethu bethu selapha mkwakho bethu so kunjani bethu ubamba bethu sichazele bethu ela mama bethu sithini bethu ikenzeka lento ukuthi umuntu bethu bathandana ku-TV but thina sebethandana ngampela
no we have a good relationship
you have a good relationship ne
sets sinakhona sets
sure
ngabo if nizodlala i-character nomuntu ezithi ngiyathandana kumele ukwazi nanokuthi like ukwazi ukuhambiselana endlela omunye ningakhethi
sure
sithandana ungangafanele
sure
kumunandi
sure kumnandi bethu ukuthandana no-Elionis
uyambona
sure hayi plani-ke bethu bethu yambona bethu ukuthi hayi bethu uright bethu bethu mele afike phela ezohlutha bethu mele imphathe bethu bethu ezohlutha yayibona leyo nto yabona it will be great because bethu i-story sakhe mbona ukuthi sophonile yabona
umoya wakhe
sure no but that's great no I mean but I don't lie I admire how you guys have been able to portray i-storyline sedlamini star and till today yabo uyazi ukuthi it's super relevant yabo uyazi ukuthi into engahleze engasoze yaphela ematheni abantu yabo lo of which I'd like to find out manje ukuthi as ama-actors yabo of which nangu maybe sesobonile so I wanted to find out ukuthi as ama-actors yabo I'm sure kukhona abantu M10 nani seni deep dive nayithanda i-industry nakhula nabukela kubona ibani nje over to you Mabura ongathi ngiyafisa-ke mfethu ukhastwa noSibanibani yabo ngiyafisa mfethu ukudlala i-role noSibanibani who's that like one person wena osafisayo nje ukuthi hayi ufuna ukudlala naye mfethu it can even be overseas yabo
because amalempisi ami awasekho emhlabeni
sure
kade bekhona
sure
and since laba sebekhona lelo manje ayikho umlimi ukuthi yazi ngifana nabantu abathanda baseningabazi find out they are celebrities
sure but okay laba sebadlule emhlabeni oba
Menzi ngubani.
Menzi ngubani, ne?
One of my legends.
Sure. Okay, no, but so Menzi ngubani, we even mentioned them earlier.
Yes.
Yeah, so who is not in the industry? And what about you, next up?
yazi nami cishe boyela menza ngubana kahlakhe yena but most definitely Israel Mutseka Zulu.
Sure.
Yeah, and then but nalo mjita lo khona ingozana le product i-Black Brain bani run Black Brain one
Okay, now
Manda
sure.
yabo ngisabuka i-success lana mase-success
So, says la.
yabo ngiyibuka le mpathe ngiyibona i-character yami ukuthi kwakuyiphi ngangazi
Sure.
balapolice yabo ngisho ngihlezi ngile sithi futhi lapho ngasipana ne-Black Brain
Sekhumbula family bonds.
Oh yeah.
Sure. Yo, family bonds. Sekhumbula. Hey, sure. Bongo ne. Sure. No, but I love that for you, James, and I can tell you what your future is very bright because kuningi bethu enisazokwenza yabo kuningi futhi amathuba enisazoyithola part of yabo. So we've seen you guys doing my adverts for brands like BP yabo. So part of your like speciality, it is like making these events that people never thought they could be but come to life. We've also seen you on our adverts. So what's your way or maybe strategy when you receive a script ukuthi should it be something ngale ndlela engiyitshelwe ngayo or yasithatha uthi no, let me just do it my way and ngikwazi ukuthi is-execute ngale ndlela ekufuneka ngaso? Over to you, Max.
Mina mfethu I think kubalulekile ukuthi ngisilandele ngale ndlela esiyiyona but most definitely sispice indlela engizobe ngilofunda ngayo ngizobe ngisi-actor out ngayo. I think iwona khe wami vele for me yabo even noma kuthiwa mhlawumpe ngizoshintsha igama elithize nginama-vocals ami ukuthi okay instead of leli gama ngasebenzisa leli but into ebalulekile most definitely ukuthi ngispice up nokuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ngizofunda kanjani so that ngiyakulahleka the whole story mangabe especially in-scripted leyo. Yabo so for me
Stay up the team.
yes ngazi ukuthi ngiphuma nini ngingasale sengiba leyo ngunaleyo nginayo ngisethi yabo leyo so nokuspice futhi ngispice ngendlela ezoba yabo
Sizokwazi ukuthi ibe
ihambiselana nayo leyo ndlela so
As ungaphumanga kwi-point esuke ikhokhelwa esuke ibhaliwe lapho.
whether I'm doing ad noma
Ufunda ukwazi ungagcini ngama-lines akho kuphela wazi ngama-lines alo muntu esekhuluma.
knowing ukuthi kwenzakalani I think
Yazi
kubalulekile.
for instance esishutha no-Maxwell bakageja ama-lines akhe automatically nami izokutholela ngibali.
So
now uzocabanga something.
Ngicabanga ngomthatha.
Sure. No, but it's a great one. I don't lie. I really admire and I really appreciate your level of creativity and how you are able to just take us through everything because as actors, there's a lot expected out of you, and you guys are able to tell us what time page. Ezinye zezinto zihamba siphela la and ezinye zezinto zihamba siphela la, but the most important is one thing. If I may give you ithuba to just close, what would be your word to someone who's starting out somewhere who just want now to pursue that dream, but to something to go by actor one day? What would be like your word of inspiration specifically to that person?
back to that thing because baningi abantu abafuna manje ukuthi izinto zibe lula just open ilokhu njani ila ile zinto lezi ukushutha and do your thing if wazi umnandi penini if ungekho umnandi penini mhlawumbe wena unaso isifiso but ikhona kathi leli imali inyana yabo khona ibra wakho maziyo kuze ubra wakho abhale uthola abantu abawuthiwa banga-actor if ngeke ngingabatholi baningi abantu abafuna ukuyenza izinto and then you can carry on from there ubone ukuthi ngiyabheka as long as futhi uzoyimisela ngayo
ukwazi ukubhala senama-platforms manje like noma ngawamenshina le ChatGPT uyinikeza yona idea ikutshena nokuthi wenze kanjani
Sure.
Okay.
the main thing is to start.
Sure, start with what you have.
Yes.
Sure.
Ungabi ukukhulula ukukhuluma ingekho emotion.
Sure. Ukwazi ukuthi mfethu uproject i-growth mfethu from where you are. No, but I really admire that advice because I think it applies in almost everything nje mfethu empilweni. Yabo, ayikho into mfethu empilweni esingeke siphile isikhathi sokuthi uma wayiqala ingakhulu. Yabo, you cannot do something and remain on the same position forever. Yabo. Exponential growth is something that is defined. The more you apply energy, the more you likely to grow from anything that you're doing.
Yes.
So compared to, as you guys heard from the horse's mouth, always look for growing. Always look for opportunity. To how can things get better, and we are slowly but surely you're gonna reach your ultimatum dream.
Sure. And we associate nabantu abagrand. We associate nabantu abagrand yabo. Because yabo nathi ngiyacanga manje nokuhlangana nawe nje kusizile yabo. Yabo in terms of everything. Wena connected nabantu abadiphi so waplaga lapho siyasibana. That is a blessing. We give thanks, Nangalo.
No, it's a great one. We thank you on behalf of the Slacker brand. We thank you for always being like the pioneers behind the brand. Every marketing idea that we always put in front of you guys in case you need Tata, need bigger person. So if it went for you, and I mean that's to asinayo the influence. So to I call them relation, like public relations, if it's very important, this is the assassinate the masses is so cool. But you guys have been able to work with the brand and learn the angle about it. So now customer have figure team. So let's try to do something. So my customer no figure team. Si bonile la pana ko maheo. Funa kula kule salon yo maheo yabo. So it actually means whatever that we've been working on is working. And young Jabisa Oguti, it is also even beneficial for you guys. So, here's a Siaveto Cozini, and if you know cons and Maka, I mean, I think Gaisho, Oguti, and it's easy no more winning this in Africa. I will look something to any Miguel. Over to you, Max.
I want to give thanks to everyone who supported MTM from day one. Who supported me, myself, who supported everyone from day one up until today. No, even now, figures all nice and bonga. Carry on with that. I see lots of without me. I got to
Sure.
Yeah, so you know the story.
You know the story.
You know what it is.
So over to you, Helzy.
The first shout outs goes to Udamini.
Sure.
For being such a great writer, great director,
Sure.
all that stuff.
Sure.
And thanks to all our supporters. Siyabonga. Nabanga support kulungile.
Home.
Zabona isibulo.
Oh, you don't tell me to run.
Izulu ne. It's been a great one to have you on the Barber Show bafowethu. Kwangathi ke ngalokho elikhula njalo. Kwangathi nje ngalokho nje niba yingqadu bethu masiyibuka bethu zikwazi ukuthi zibe nje bethu sezingeni khona enikhabetheni. And also nje bethu kube ukuthi ngoba niqalile ke manje bethu senitholakala na ku Barber Show. Yabo yaqhubeka.
Uyasiplaka, uyasiplaka, hey, no.